How to log into NovoBanco Portugal online banking. In this video, I'll show you how to log into NovoBanco online banking. So to get started, go ahead and open novobanco.pt into your browser. And then in here, go ahead and click on this login button. And that will take you into this section. So as you can see in here, you need to enter your membership number and your PIN to be able to sign into your account. Now, you'll need to enter your taxpayer number into the section and then authentication card or SMS code into the section to log in. So, complete the authentication. Depending on your setup, you may receive a confirmation code via SMS to validate your login. Now, that is how you can basically log into Novo Banco Portugal online banking.